Current estimates for human papillomavirus and related cancers, Fact Sheet 2015, shows that over 2.37 million women aging 15 years and older are at the risk of developing cervical cancer. Current estimates indicate that every year 938 women are diagnosed with cervical cancer and 546 die from the disease.
They are preventable death. We can cure cervical cancer and breast cancer if we test early and detect early and they are subject to treatment early. The problem in our country is that the National Department of Health is not conducting early testing.
Governor Parkop called on the Department of Health to have pap smear tests set up for every woman in the country to get tested before it is too late.
Cervical cancer and breast cancer. This is a big problem in our country. Nearly 700 mothers or women they die from cervical cancer and breast cancer every year. If you think about it in this way, what do they leave behind? Of course, we are sad and the families are sad when their mothers die, but it's equally heart-wrenching when they leave behind the children.
The Department of Health and the World Health Organization have approved a new vaccine called the HPV vaccine. The HPV vaccine will be given to girls between the ages of 9 and 13 in the nation's capital district starting March 2016. Plans are underway to introduce the vaccine to the rest of the country. Governor Parkop is calling on everyone in NCD, especially all men, to wake up at 5:30 a.m. and join him in the walk against cervical cancer.
Cervical cancer. So I want to call on all the men to show our concern for our mothers and for our daughters, for our sisters. I want everyone to turn up on Jack Piddick on Sunday at 5 o'clock. Let's block the freeway. Nobody will drive on that freeway in the morning between 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Let's make a big statement. Let's say to the national government and the Department of Health that this is not good enough.
Adelaide Xerox Kari, National, MTV News.